Hi, welcome to Zona Mechanica. There is an MCQ on torsion. Figure at the margin indicates the weightage of the question, that is 2 marks. A torque T is applied at the free end of a stepped rod of circular cross section as shown in the figure. The shear modulus of the material of the rod is G. The expression of D to produce an angular twist theta at the free end is. There are 4 options given. Well, this is the stepped rod. Clearly there are 2 segments of the rod. This is the first segment and this is the second segment. The diameter of the first segment is 2d, while that of the segment 2 is d, and the length of the first segment is L and that of the segment 2 is L by 2, and a torque T is applied at the free end. Okay, now the question is, what will be the expression for D, this D, to produce an angular twist theta at the free end? Keep in mind, this theta is the overall twist. Let the individual twists of segment number 1 be theta 1 and that of segment number 2 be theta 2. Okay, and the torque induced in segment number 1 be T1 and that in segment number 2 be T2. Okay, T2. Okay. Since this is a series connection, so the torque will be same in both the segments, that is T1 will be equal to T2 is equal to T. Okay, and theta, the overall twist, will be equal to the summation of the individual twists of the 2 segments. Okay, now we have the well-known torsion formula, that is T by J is equal to tau by R is equal to G theta by L, where all the symbols are bearing usual meanings. Okay, so from here T1 by J1 is equal to G theta 1 by L1, which implies theta 1 is equal to T1 L1 by J1 G. Okay, again T2 by J2 is equal to G into theta 2 by L2, which implies theta 2 is equal to T2 L2 by J2 G. Okay, therefore theta is equal to T1 L1 by J1 G plus T2 L2 by J2 G. Now we know T1 and T2 is T. Okay, then T and L1 is L. Okay, by J1 is equal to pi by 32 and D1 is 2D, so 2D to the power 4 plus T2 is T and L2 is L by 2. Okay, L by 2 and this J2 is pi by, okay, here G is there, and pi by 32 D to the power 4. Okay, D2 is D, so D to the power 4 into G. Here 32 TL by pi into 16 D to the power 4 into G plus here 16 TL by pi D to the power 4 into G. Okay, so this will be, so 16 and 32 it will give 2. Okay, so 2 and 16, so 18 TL by pi d to the power 4 g, right? So which implies d to the power 4 is equal to 18 TL by pi into theta into g. So which implies d is equal to 18 TL by pi theta g whole to the power 1 by 4, right? So clearly it's matching with option B, 18 TL pi theta g to the power 1 by 4. So hope you have understood. If you are enjoying, please do share with your friends.